Alright guys, today we got the GTI and it's on the lift today. A downpipe, tune, and intercooler. What do you gotta say?
I happy. We have Volkswagen high up in the air, and we're gonna have to go around and take off a bunch of these T25s. There's some on the bottom. We gotta take off this whole panel down here. We got the front bumper off. Looking good, looking good. We're watching the video. We're gonna take these out, put the mounts on for the arm intercooler, and then we'll put the arm downpipe on, and then we'll go blow it up on the streets. We got the GTI. We got the front mount intercooler on. Yeah, that's what we do around here, guys. We turn nice shit into this. We get nice cars and make them not that. Like it's round. I always need a flag.
Where is the guy?
I don't know what to do with it. Hey, Daddy. Doesn't matter.
He passed me the ball. He knows that.
Alright, so I say we start with this. I don't know what everybody does.
Bing bong.
So we just
Downpipe
got the
disconnected from the
stock downpipe disconnected. We're gonna have to take these off here in a second, but before we do that, there is a couple bolts up there that hold this stock downpipe onto the engine block. So they gotta go first, and then the downpipe should be free.
Should be.
Should be. We got the intercooler and we got the downpipe installed. So now it's time to put all this shit back on. Alright guys, here we are. Many moons, not many moons actually, just many hours later. And
Good night's sleep later.
Everything's done. It's tuned. Ooh, oh shit. God damn. Spinning. Yeah, 375 torque.